Navigating the Jungle of Confusion, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the wonders of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, jungle of confusion. This expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your everyday English? Stick around as we unravel this mystery together. At first glance, jungle of confusion might conjure images of a dense, tropical forest where it's easy to lose your way. In English, this phrase metaphorically represents a situation or state of mind that is overwhelmingly confusing or disordered, making it difficult to navigate or find a clear path forward. It's used to describe scenarios where there's so much going on, or so many considerations to be made, that it becomes hard to understand or decide what to do next. While the exact origins of jungle of confusion are not clear-cut, it's a phrase that draws on the imagery of a jungle, wild, intricate, and challenging to navigate, as a metaphor for complexity and disorder. The use of natural environments to depict human emotions or situations is a common literary device, enriching our language with vivid descriptions that resonate on a universal level. Incorporating jungle of confusion into your English can add depth to your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. Trying to understand the new tax regulations was like wandering through a jungle of confusion. The conflicting advice I received left me in a jungle of confusion, unsure of which path to choose. Navigating the city's outdated public transportation system is like exploring a jungle of confusion. Notice how the phrase is adaptable to a variety of contexts, from personal dilemmas to more complex, systemic issues. Learning new phrases and expressions can be challenging, but there are a few strategies to make them stick. 1. Contextual learning. Try to learn and use new phrases in context. Whether reading or listening, note how and where different expressions are used. 2. Practice. Incorporate new phrases into your daily conversation or writing. Practice makes perfect. 3. Visualize. Create mental images for phrases. Imagining yourself in a jungle of confusion can help cement the phrase in your memory. Thank you for joining us as we explored the jungle of confusion. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and inspired you to weave it into your English conversations and writings. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to dive into the vast jungle of the English language. See you in the next video.